baby, watch your man not here.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to another Freestyle Wednesday. And today's Freestyle Wednesday is brought to you by a company called TIDELOCKER. I have a bag to review for you from them, because you know your girl is bougie on a budget. So if you like to save like I do, and you like nice designer stuff and don't want to pay the high price for it, and if you don't mind having a replica bag, well, stay tuned and hear about the bag that I have to share with you today. So I'm going to get into unboxing the bag and show you how it came and all that good stuff, and then we'll get right into the specs of the bag. Alright everyone, here's the box it came in. I think it's pronounced Loewe or Loewe. I'm not sure, but here it is. And so we're just going to take it out the box that it came in.
You need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me.
So there we go. We have a nice dust bag that you could use for restorage of your bag when you're not using it. And as you see, it comes well packaged, well wrapped up to protect everything. And there's some instructions here too. Just some little cards on your bag. So I'm just going to take everything out and come back and show you how the bag looks. Alright everyone, here is the bag all cleaned up. Doesn't it look nice? I love this anagram on the front. I love the two short straps, and you get two long straps also. And then here is the back, the side, the other side, and the bottom of the bag. Now inside there's lots of space, and then you have these two little straps here that you could tie your bag together even closer if you don't want it that wide open. And then you have these two pockets inside here to place personal items in. Lots of space. So let me tell you a bit about TIDELOCKER. They are a company that provides lots of designer items, from bags to shoes to jewelry, clothing stuff of designer value, and their prices are very reasonable. Their shipping is very reasonable. They have all sorts of designer items on their site, and their shipping time is very reasonable also. Okay, so here's the bag once again. I have the Loewe small anagram tote bag. Yeah, and they said on the site it's made from calf skin. Yeah, and it does feel like it. Feels very nice. So here's the back, here's the front. And one thing I like about this bag, the small strap, you see that the small strap has this woven design on both of the small straps, and I think that looks so nice. Absolutely beautiful. I like that. And then of course you have the monogram on the front of the bag. And of course you have the long handle. Along with the small handle, you have these two long handles, and they're sturdy and nice. I like it. They're well, you can tell they're quality made. And inside you have these two straps here that you could tie together to keep your bag together if you choose to. You can just tie a little bow and keep them together like that. And again, inside, lots of room inside this tote. And it does come with two Can you see that? It comes in 2 little pouches right here, so you can put cards or any little thing that you want to place with inside there. And it does smell like suede. It does. It feels and smells just like suede. Yep. As you can see, it is a beautiful tote bag. So I'm going to show you next how it looks on you.
Tell me when the lights go down, yeah, now I'm making my moves, yeah. Ooh, you know, yeah. Tell me when the lights go down, yeah, I'm making my move,
So I'm gonna leave a link below to TIDELOCKER, so you guys can go over and check them out and see what they have for you guys. And I have a discount code. Everything will be down below in the description box. On some devices it says show more, on some devices it says more, and on some there's just a little arrow going down. Click on that, it opens up the description box, and see all that they have to offer on their site to help you with being bougie on a budget. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got to do today, and thank you for joining me for another Freestyle Wednesday. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.